Hi, everyone. I am Roxy, visiting from Atlanta. Just flew in today to be here at SOLEX and share the story they want me to tell you about it. I got my device back in 2021, and my upline needed to show me how to use it. And I actually sprained my ankle that same day, and I couldn't wait. So, baptism by fire, I decided let's break it open and follow some directions to figure out what to do. So, I thought let's go ahead and go to frequency and hit sprains. My pain level was about an 8 or a 9. And so I broadcast the sprains to myself for about an hour. It went down to about a level 4, and I hopped back to bed. Then next morning, I woke back up and the pain went back up to about a 6. So I said, let's broadcast again. So I did it for about an hour. This was during the pandemic, so I was on Zoom with someone, and I said, hey, wait 1 minute. I ran off my seat, ran to the kitchen, came back, and I was like, the pain is gone. In 2 hours of just broadcasting just only sprains, my pain level went down to a 0 and it never came back. That's my story. I'm sticking with Solex.